So for this video, I wanted to look at managing user groups. So how to create a new group and how to add students to them. So rather than seeing a list of every student that has E2020, you can narrow it down to just your kids. So from your Edgenuity dashboard, you're going to click over here on Manage User Groups. Once in there, click on Add New Group. Call it whatever you like. Save and hit OK. So now you've got your new group, but you don't have any students in it. So head up here to Students, hover over it, and click on Manage Students. This will bring up everybody that has E2020. If when you click on that there aren't any students listed here, check your filters. You might have filters that are eliminating the students, so just X them off and it'll take those filters off and hopefully bring up everybody. So once you find your students that you want to add to the class, click who they are, go up to Add to Groups, select the group that you just made, and hit the plus sign. So our students have been added to our new group. Hit OK and you're done.